What's up, Peak Timers? Check out this brand new Hot Wheels 9-pack that I just found in store. I'm super excited because we found Robo Race Robocar. No, I'm just kidding. We found the orange Mclaren Sena. Check it out, the orange Mclaren Sena, brand new recolor, which was first seen in the Hot Wheels 9-packs. A lot of the Peak Timers were sending me messages saying, hey, have you seen the Sena, the orange Sena in a 9-pack? Check it out, go get it. So I finally found it in store. So here we are today. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this 9-pack. We'll get a closer look at each of the cars inside, but obviously, more importantly, we're gonna check out that Sena. Let's quickly go through the other cars here first before we show you the Sena. We have got the Indy Oval in white, and I actually previously bought a 9-pack because I specifically liked the Indy Oval in white. So there we go, I've got another one of those that will be in the collection for sure. Next up we have got, what is this one here? I don't even know. Audacious, there we go, Audacious Fantasy Car. There we go, we'll go through them quickly here. Then we've got, I believe this is a Nomad of some sort. Yep, Chevy Nomad, Speed Shop Chevy Nomad. Very cool, nice one. I think I have that one already. Then we've got this one, which looks like a Maverick. Yep, 71 Grabber. Maverick Grabber. Okay, so I was right. Maverick Grabber, there we go. Interesting color. I like that, similar to the original Sena color as well. And then we have got the Radical Racer. I don't know my fantasy cars all that well. That's why I have to check some of them. And then we've got this sort of hot rod thing right here. And this one is, what is this one? Midnight Auto. There's Midnight Auto right there. There he is, looking fresh, Mr. Midnight Auto. Cool. Then, of course, we've got Robo Race Robocar. There is Robo Race Robocar, the one that we were super excited to get. JK. Although it is an interesting fantasy car, I don't think I have this one. I like the wheels on there. The wheels look good. I'd like to see those wheels on more cars, especially with that colored white lip on there, on the front facing of those wheels. All right, Robo Race Robocar. And then this is the exclusive car to this case, and this is a custom Datsun 240Z. It is. I'm not sure if I have this color variation before, but they make a lot of different color variations of the custom Datsun 240Z. So there we go, we'll add that one to the collection. And of course, the car that you guys all want to see, the brand new orange McLaren Sena. This one will be featured in the 2019 Hot Wheels N case, which you'll see on my channel very shortly. And there we go, I love the blacked out roof on there, the nice big wing on there, good details on the back, and obviously we know that the details on the front headlights are missing, unfortunately. I have seen somebody post on Instagram where they customized the original variation where they actually painted the front headlights and that little like slot looking piece on the front there. So it looked really cool. We're actually gonna grab, here's the original release Sena. We'll do a little bit of a comparison for you guys. So this one is, it's like a bluish gray color. Right there, we'll see it from the front. Again, missing the details on both of them. From the side, I'm liking these wheels a lot better. I like the darker wheels on the Sena. I'm not sure if the Sena really suits chrome wheels, although these wheels are pretty nice wheels, maybe just in a darker color. So there we go. We'll see from the back as well. As my camera focuses on them in the back, there we go. And a little bit from the side angle, you can see the big wings on them. Very nice. I'm liking the Sena casting. I have to say, I'm excited to see it in orange. McLaren suits the orange color very well. And of course, the McLaren F1, my original favorite car, came in orange, the F1 LM. I love that color. So now we've got the Sena in orange. I got it in the 9-pack. I'll be getting another one in the 2019 Hot Wheels N case. Hopefully I'll get one in the N case. But there you have it, guys. Smash that thumbs up if you love the brand new orange McLaren Sena, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.